She's officially single, but she's been spotted with lots of arm candy, including the likes of Josh Hartnett. Bipasha Basu now likes to call herself a happy hippie. As for her co-star Abhishek Bachchan, well, he's contemplating journalism as a backup plan. Oh, AB, how we'd love to have you on our side of the fence.
So it's Zoe standing beside me, but if you're confused whom am I talking about, it's Bipasha Basu. Zoe, Bipasha, Bipasha Zoe. What should I call you now?
Call me Bipasha for sure. I'm an actor. This is my film. I'm here to promote it. And yes, we'll talk about Zoe though, what the character is all about. Zoe is like a flower child, a hippie girl, born and brought up in Goa. She depicts the Goa that we always think of, you know, colorful, happy, vivacious.
किसी को बहती हवा किसी को बस बातों में अरे पल में यहाँ वहाँ
Dam Maro Dam, it's it's a rage now. The track is a rage. What's the whole reaction like? You know, even in your circle, what's the whole reaction to the song, especially?
I think everyone loved it. It took me like a couple of times. I had to hear it to understand what they have made. But it just catches on. You know, it's a little bit rappy. I'm not a big rap fan, but it kind of just grows on you. It's really, really catchy.
Okay, one thing just struck me. Goa is a place to enjoy and party, and the whole unit was working there for so long. So
there was no choice. Have you seen Rohan Sippy's face? He'll wear his printed t-shirts and his Bermudas or shorts, whatever they are, khakis, and his cap, and he'll keep this content smile, and he'll say, "We have to work a little more longer."
किसी के सो झूठ सुन ले किसी का सच भी गुनाह किसी के बस यादों में करे हलचल सारा जहां.
Talking about Dam Maro Dam, let me just quiz you a little bit. When was the last time Bipasha was happy high?
I'm never high. I'm just born high. I think when I was born, my mother threw me in some cauldron of something because I'm just like this happy kind of a person. I'm little, I call myself a happy hippie.
Is there one song besides Dam Maro Dam which one should trip on? When you're happy high.
When I'm happy high?
Yeah.
Jhoom barabar. I have gone back. It's like flashback happening. Yeah, Jhoom barabar jhoom.
You paired opposite Rana in this film. Lot has been talked about. There's also been written that you're very fond of him. So how much of it is true?
Let's not put the fond words now. Please delete them. I don't know why people have to dig deep into it and make it dirty because it's not like that.
The rumors doing round about Rana, about you and John. I know everybody's asked you.
I'm not going to say anything. I'll just say, please, go ahead, make your story.
Okay, yeah. But it doesn't hurt you. I mean,
that's for my if it hurts me, it's for me to know.
If you thought Bluff Master was a flash in the pan, well, Rohan Sippy's convinced Abhishek to hum a few more lines for the next film. Very interesting song, very interesting lyric.
You know, when we did Right Here, Right Now for our last film, Bluff Master, we took it to a space which was a lot of fun, very light-hearted, really embodied what the character in the film of Bluff Master stood for. When we decided to do a track for Dam Maro Dam, we knew we couldn't go down that road again, and nor did we want to. We wanted to do something different. We really embodied ACP Vishnu Kamat's attitude and his approach to life. And so we came up with this track, Time Time, which I think has turned out very nice. We've been getting nice responses for it, so we're very excited.
He's not a virtuoso opera star. That's never the intention. But the thing is to bring personality to your music, to bring a style.
Is that a challenge?
I think that's a bit of a challenge.
Yeah.
Do you want to take him up?
I will. Next film, man. Just wait and see. Yeah. Play a nice diva. Play a diva in my next one.
Reverse psychology.
Anybody in the family has heard the song? Do they have any criticism, any critique of Rohit?
No. So far, they've all been very positive and supportive. They like the track very much. The catchphrase "Thai Thai Dish Kyao" I think is something which has become very popular already in our household, at least.
In the household, you mean have people kind of waking up to the sounds of Thai Thai in the house now?
No, but that's a good idea. Thank you. Maybe tomorrow morning onwards, yeah, it'll become mandatory to play it in the Bachchan household.
As a singer, are you kind of looking to kind of maybe expand into some other forms?
No, I'm an actor primarily. I'll sing for my films if I'm convinced it's required for the character and it's required for the film. I enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. I get petrified to walk into that studio, but once I'm in there, I really have a lot of fun.
It's a good kind of backup plan to have in case.
Yeah, I'm also doing a backup plan in journalism just in case.
Really?
Yeah, so maybe one day I'll interview you about a song you might have sung.
Any particular song that you kind of hum, maybe in the bathroom? Are you a bathroom singer?
Well, currently it's all about, I'm a terrible bathroom singer, but yes, I am a bathroom singer. It's a complaint my parents had before I got married, and now that I'm married, my wife has. Thai Thai's been readied, and we've been working on that. That's the only one I've been singing, which sounds a bit weird when you're taking a shower, if you think about the lyrics, No. So, yeah, anyway, but my apologies to my neighbors if they're listening. I'm really sorry.
वो आइए मस्त चिल मारिए लेकिन दम नहीं मारने में आज से अभी से सारे रेव्स बंद